Hi everyone, welcome back to Edu Remote. We are up with another lesson video, and in this video we are going to discuss about consumer behavior and the overview of demand. So what is consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is the study of how individuals, groups and organizations select, purchase, use and dispose of goods and services, experiences and ideas to satisfy their needs and wants. Thus, it involves both the mental as well as emotional thinking that follow these actions. Consumer behavior is basically the study of why people buy what they buy. However, it is not that simple. Consumer behavior is a complex and elaborate area of study because it involves the understanding of both how purchase decisions are made as well as how goods and services are experienced and consumed. A detailed process is followed by the consumers, which involves extensive information search in order to be able to decide between alternative options. We will discuss this detailed process by breaking up the concepts one by one in our videos. The first and the most essential concept under consumer behavior is demand. What is demand? In economics, demand refers to the quantity of goods and services which a consumer is willing and able to purchase at a specific price in a given period of time. The different parts of this definition is equally important, so we will understand them one by one. Willingness to buy means that the consumer must have a desire or preference to buy the goods and services. Ability to purchase means that the consumer must have the financial resources to purchase the goods and services. And specific price at a given period of time means that quantity demanded is measured at a specific price point in a given period of time. However, demand is a multivariate relationship and it is determined by many factors simultaneously, such as the price of the good, the income of the consumer, the price of the related goods, consumers' taste and preferences, future expectation of prices, etc. and etc. Thus, it is important to understand the demand function first. What is a function? In economics, a function is the mathematical relationship between two and more variables, where one variable, the dependent variable, is determined by the other variables, the independent variables. So, demand function is the one which shows the mathematical relationship between quantity demanded of a good or service and the different factors which influence the quantity demanded of the goods and services, known as determinants of demand. The demand function in detail is up for you guys. This is the demand function, which is QD is equal to function of Px, Y, PR, T, F, etc. QD means quantity demanded, and it is a function of the independent variables such as Px, which is the price of the good, Y is the income of the consumer, PR is the price of the related goods, T is for taste and preferences of the consumer, F is future expectation of prices. So basically all of these are the independent variables which influence quantity demanded, which is the dependent variable. The final structure of a demand function is here in detail. This is the demand function. These are the determinants of demand, and this is the dependent variable, this is the independent variable. That's about all for this video. We will understand more about demand and the determinants of demand in our next videos. Until then, do let us know your experience in the comment section. If you have any questions, put it in the comments and we will get back to you. Subscribe to our channel, follow us, like, share and comment, and stay tuned to know more.